showing my quick routine. I already did my base and my eyeshadow today, my brows, but I'm going to show the rest of my stuff. And I need to let the world know about this mascara. It's kind of old and dusty, but like, this is the best mascara ever. This is my Holy Grail mascara. I've used this for like 14-15 years. I wore it when I was being proposed to, which it was downpouring rain, and then I was crying on top of that, and it was also extremely hot and humid, and it lasted. It did not smear, did not smudge, did not run, nothing. This is the waterproof version though. It's the best. First, this is my setting spray. Also the Holy Grail setting spray is the GOAT. Again, wore it on my proposal day, didn't move, didn't smudge, my makeup was fine. So I shake the shit out of this first. Take the flyaways away. And then I drench my face in this. See how wet it is, right? Then I take my fan. And I just fan my face. And let that dry. This is a mattifying one. It says up to 16 hours wear matte finish. I find it doesn't go like matte on me, but more of like a satin, which I love satin finishes on my face personally. Also, speaking of Holy Grails, this foundation will be the best foundation you'll ever have in your whole life. Forget Giorgio Armani, forget Dior, Chanel, whatever fancy brands that are like $80. The only exception for like expensive foundations that I love that works is the Estee Lauder foundation, the double wear one, and also the It Cosmetics CC cream. This is kind of expensive for what it is, but like it's so good because it has sunscreen in it too. This foundation, the best. I used to wear the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay foundation, and then they reformulated it and it was never the same. So I had to go with this one, and it's pretty on par with that one. So now my face is dried down, right? Okay, cool. So I find that when I spray my face with the setting spray, sometimes, I don't know, like it does something with my lashes. Like it like primes my lashes, if you will. I bought a primer, a lash primer, this voluminous one. It's okay, but I only pair it with this mascara. I only wear these mascaras when I'm wearing like a no makeup day. Like when I don't want to do full glam, but I still want to look presentable to the public. I do that. So I take my big magnifying mirror, oh, dirty, anyways, and my eyelash curler, and I curl my lashes. And I try and get as close to the root as possible, and I like angle it so they go like up. I find like if you just have it like this, they curl, but like they do like this weird curl. And I don't like that look. I like when my lashes are like straight up, if you will. Sometimes I have good lash days, sometimes I don't. It really depends. I don't know what it depends on, but it depends. All right, cool, right? Okay, then we go in with our baby, my favorite. I take off the extra that's on the tip there, just because like sometimes it can get like too clumpy in here. And I just go in. I'm not gonna lie, I do like 5 coats. That might be a little much for some people. They might be like, oh, that's not good then if you had to do 5 coats. But realistically, how many people do like 3 coats of their mascara, even when it's really, really good? You know what I mean? Already you can see the difference, right? Like, I don't know. I hope you can see that. Right? So you're like, oh, she's done. No, I'm not. And then I take this again. And I dry my eyelashes. And then, because it's waterproof, you have to be careful. I've done this for years and years and years, but a lot of people say, don't do this, it's horrible. Take my eyelash curler and curl my lashes with the waterproof mascara on, because I find it just like really sets the eyelashes. Really sets them, and then they don't move. I find with like this mascara, if I like use my eyelash curler, they just kind of like fall in a way. Like they don't hold the curl like I like it. But the waterproof mascara, when it does that, it stays. Sometimes if I feel like I didn't wait long enough for my eyelashes to dry, I go in with my eyeliner, which this is also my holy grail. I use mostly drugstore stuff. It's pretty seldomly rare that I use like name brand stuff. I mostly use name brand stuff for like eyeshadows, Jeffree Star highlighter. Makeup Forever is the goat for this matte velvet skin blurring powder foundation. I've had this for years and I still like have quite a bit left in there. I use this on no makeup days because I usually go in with this and then I use this on top and it just makes it like flawless without making it feel like I have a bunch of foundation on. I'm weird, but whatever. Lately with my eyeliner, I've been going in with a pencil eyeliner. This one here, Jante Bleu, something like that. This came in my BoxyCharm box like years ago. Don't judge me for using mascara and things that are old. We all do it, okay? Nobody's perfect here. But yeah, just like a basic, I think this is just dark chocolate brown. And I will just make a line and just kind of like, so it's not so harsh. But I think today I'm going to use my actual liquid liner. This is also it's in brown. I always wipe off the excess, so then it's like really sharp. Again, you can't really see how sharp that is. I've been doing liquid eyeliner for years. Sometimes you have good days, sometimes you have bad. It's really all in just the flick of the wrist. And practice makes perfect. Okay, so see how it kind of just like, I don't know, changes the eye a bit. We go in again. Ooh, there's way too much eyeliner. Ooh. Da da da. Yeah, that's pretty similar. I would say so. That NYX eyeliner I used, the Epic Wear, it's waterproof. Everything I use is pretty much waterproof. So, go back in with the eyeliner. You go in close to the root. And you pinch up. See? Boom, boom. The difference. Okay. And we'll go in this eye. Again, see? Boom, boom. The difference. Again, sometimes these lashes will not cooperate and like this eye's better. It all depends on the day, I guess. And we go in. Technically, this is 2 coats. Sometimes I'm happy with just 2 coats. Today, I might just do 2 coats because this seems pretty good. And I'm also running out of time and I have to get to work, so this might just be enough. I tend to like blink into my mascara too, I just noticed that. And there we have it. But yeah, that's my lashes. I don't know if you can see. Cool. Alright, that's my lash routine and eyeliner and just kind of like some little tips, tricks, and some of my holy grails. I'll probably add more. Maybe I'll make this a series. We'll see. Okay? Peace out, Cubscout.